Good morning. I'm Clarence, President of the NAACP Milwaukee branch, and I'm here to support those who are speaking on behalf of the violations of race profiling. Race profiling is a coercive practice that undermines the very foundation of justice. It occurs when law enforcement targets individuals based on race, ethnicity, national origin, rather than evidence of criminal activity. For people of color, Black, Latino, Indigenous, Asian, and others, this is just a theoretical issue. It's a lived reality that manifests in traffic stops, airports, screenings, immigration, raids, and state-level policing. Legally, racial profiling violates the 14th Amendment protections against unreasonable searches and seizures, and the 14th Amendment guarantees of equal protections under the law. Yet, despite these constitutional safeguards, courts have repeatedly upheld practices that disproportionately impact communities of color. For instance, in Warren versus the United States, for example, the Supreme Court ruled that officers could use minor traffic violations as a pretext to stop drivers, even if they were motivated by racial bias. This decision opened the door to unchecked expression and made it a necessary, nearly impossible challenge for racial profiling in court. More recently, the Supreme Court allowed Immigration of Customs Enforcement, ICE, to resume indiscriminate detentions of Latino residents in Los Angeles, effectively greenlighting racial profiling under the guise of immigration enforcement. Justice Sotomayor, in her dissent, warned that this decision creates a second-class citizenship status for those who look Latino, speak Spanish, and sometimes appear to have low-wage jobs. Criminal justice disparities. 84% of Black adults believe Black people are targeted more frequently than whites. 63% of whites agree that 84% of Black adults say that the criminal justice system treats Black differently from others. And a recent Supreme Court ruling, federal agents were allowed to target individuals for immigration detention based on race, language, and job titles, even without reasonable suspicions. And Justice Sotomayor warns that this creates a second-class citizenship for Latinos who are now vulnerable to being detained simply because looking Latino and speaking Spanish. Thank you, and at this time, Patty Dorch, Legislative Aide, will come